Okay. Now the question is, create the following table items. So the question, okay. So now the question is, create the following table items. So what is the table name given here? Items, right? Some fields are there. Serial number, STUNO, name, STD, Jaipur, Barmer, pockets. So whatever the field name given in the question, you have to use the field names as it is without any change. If it is given in the capital letter, you have to use in capital letter only. If it is in small or running, you have to use in that way only, right? So field names you have to use as it is, plus table name you have to use as it is. So the table name here given is items, okay, in small letters. So same way you have to use, okay. Now the question, first part of this question is, write the query to create table given above. Write the query to create table given above. And now the table is, field names are there, right? But no data type is there. So you have to assign the data types according to the values stored in it. Okay. Now tell me, what will be the data type for SNO, means for the serial number? Tell me, क्या होगा?
Ma'am, integer.
Yes, you can take integer. Even you can take tiny int also. But tiny int has a range of 255 up to 255. So you can even take integer because you don't know कि कहाँ तक तुम्हारा इसका limit जाएगा. Okay. So for SNO, integer, we can assign data type. STUNO, which is student number, B01, B02, B03, G01, like that. So what will be the data type? Quickly tell me, what will be the data type? See, the size is fixed for every value, right? For every record, right? Size is fixed.
Ma'am, char.
Yes, yes, correct. Size is fixed. It is 3 for each and every student, B01, B02, right? And we have alphanumeric. So we can take char with the size 3 for this field, STUNO, right? Then next is name. Name, it should be varchar with some size. Let's take 15 here. Okay. Now STD. See what type of value is stored in the field STD, which is standard actually. In Roman number, it is 12 or 11, right? So maximum size is 3 for the 12th class. Okay. So we can either take char with the size 3 or varchar with the size 4, 3 to 4 or 5, right? Even we can take char with the size 3 also for this. Then comes Jaipur, which is the field, and the values are LB, MB, LB. So the size is same for each and every record for this field.
Ma'am, char.
Yes. So what will be the size? Char?
Ma'am, 2.
2, correct. Very good. Then next field is Barmer. Here, again, the values are same like that. So we can take char 2 for that, Barmer. Then next is pocket. Some integer values are stored in the field pocket, like 2000, 2500, 2000. So what we can take?
Ma'am, integer.
Yes, very good, correct, integer. Now the question is, write the query to create the table given above. Now tell me the query. Have you all taken the screenshot of the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Is the screen visible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So how to create the this table? What is the query? Create table. And what is the table name given in the question? Items. Okay.
Items.
So table items, bracket start. Now you have to give all the field names and assign data type accordingly side by side. So what is the first field name? It is given in the capital letter, right? SNO. So you have to use as it is, SNO. Now, what is the data type? Let's take integer for that. Okay. Then what is the next one? Tell me the field names. STUNO, I think. Children, quickly tell me the field names. Harshi? Now, so the second field name is STUNO, right? So what will be the data type? What we have discussed, what will be the data type?
Ma'am, char with the size 3.
Yes, char with the size 3, right? Then next field.
Name.
Okay. So let's take varchar for that. Varchar, let's take 15 size. Then next, quickly tell me
STD.
quickly. Yes, STD,
Ma'am,
STD for
STD.
standard, right? Okay. Let's
Yes,
take
ma'am.
char with the size 3. Then next,
Jaipur.
okay, Jaipur with the size char 2. Next,
Ma'am,
Barmer.
Barmer.
Note it down side by side. Answer of this question. Barmer with char with the size 2. And
Ma'am,
last
another
is
one pocket.
pocket, POCKET, pocket with the data type integer. Okay. So after assigning the data types to the field names, then close the bracket and semicolon. Got it? Note it down, children. Now the second question is to display the students who are in class 11. So here we have the condition like we need to display the details of those students who are in class 11 only. So what will be the command for this? Now tell me the command.
Ma'am, select star
So
from
here the
table
word
name
used
item.
in the question is display, right? So we have to use select command. Select star for all the records, right? Select star from table name. And what is the table name? Items, right? Select star
Item.
from table name where clause is used here. Where, and what is the condition? Where STD
STD is equal
equals to
11.
within single quote, we have to give this new value. Why? Because it is a char type, right? So where STD equals to 11 semicolon. This is the answer of the second question. Select star from table name, which is items, where STD equals to 11 within single quote, the new value. We have no concern with the previous value, whatever is there. So the new value, which is 11, right? So the students who are in 11th standard, सिर्फ उन्हीं का record जो है वो display करवाएगा. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, the third question is, what will be the primary key in the above table? What will be the primary key in the above table? See, we
Ma'am,
have
number or solo.
very good, very good. So we can assign, see, we have to mention here 2 points for this question, right? The first point is we can assign primary key either to SNO or to STUNO field. Why? Because you have to give the reason also. Why? Because both the fields have the unique values, right? Can't be repeated, can't be,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, can't be repeated. Okay, this is your first point. Second point is either, see, we have 2 fields with the unique values in the table. Either we can assign composite primary key also here in the table. And what is composite primary key? It is a combination of two unique fields. Okay. So if we have two unique fields in the table, so we can either assign composite primary key to the combination of fields which are SNO, serial number, and STUNO, student number, right? So you have to mention 2-point answers in this question. Got it? Now the fourth question is, insert a record with the value given. So whatever value bracket is given in the question, you have to use as it is in the question answer. Means you have to copy the same value bracket in the answer. So we have to insert a record with the values. Now, what will be the answer for this?
Ma'am, insert into EMP bracket.
Very good.
Ma'am, the question.
Insert into items.
EMP.
The table name is items.
Item.
Insert into items, bracket start. First, we have to give all the field names in the bracket separated by comma. And what are the field names? Quickly tell me.
Ma'am, SNO.
SNO, comma, STUNO,
STUNO.
comma, name, comma,
STD.
STD, comma,
Jaipur.
comma, Barmer, comma, pocket. Right? After giving all the field names, close the bracket. Here now the word is values. This is the reserved
Values.
word. And then after values, you need to copy the same value bracket here from the question without any change. Now tell me what is written in the values. 8,
8,
comma,
got
quickly,
G07.
G07,
07.
right? Then
Yes, sir.
comma.
Neha.
Okay, so it's a name. So write it in capital, write it in the single quote, within single quote. Okay, then
11th. 11th in
11,
Roman.
it is an integer value. 11 in
Ma'am, 11
Roman.
is written.
Okay, this is the standard. Okay,
Yes, sir.
right. Then
MB.
it's a char value again in single quote, MB. Then
4.
so what is the Barmer value? Tell me, children.
Ma'am, 4500.
Right, one value actually is missing from this value. Okay, so let's take LB for that. One is missing and 4500, it is as it is. Then close the bracket and semicolon. This is the answer of this question, right?